She's not even out there. Pancake. Pancake, this time you're wrong. You're often right, but she's not out there. She's not out there. Pancake. Pancake. She's not out there this time. I know you're really, really good. I know you're really, really good at telling when Jessie's outside, but she's not right now. I'm looking. Pancake. Okay, fine. You can do that. There's nobody out there. I'm checking. I'm checking. Okay. You want to be petted? Okay, good. Alright. So, we decided nobody's out there, right? What do you want? I know. She's just not back yet. A false alarm. Okay, there. You go play. That's a good kitty. Woo! Bless you. Woo! Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Well, Kiss left with a sneeze, huh? You alright? Oops, bless you. She's not here this time. Okay, I'm gonna go, okay? Who are you waiting for? Can you tell me? Who are you waiting for? Can you say Jessie? Jessie? She's not outside this time though. I know, she's probably back in a little bit. But we're gonna go to the post office. See all these things? That's for the post office. You wanna go to the post office? No, you can stay here, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye, Pancake. You say bye? Pancake, say bye. Pancake, say bye. Okay, fine. Alright, bye-bye. Bye. Hi, Sage. You gonna sneeze again? Okay. See you guys. Have fun.